Ready, set, go.
And my name's actually They all very
Coming down to the line there. Oh, and I think time flies, takes it at the very end there. And Little Rusty on the blue. It's going to be on a ready, set, go. So here we go, drivers. Ready, set, go. All right, and they're off. Wildflower hit the jump first. Oh, a little Rusty hit in the ramp there sideways. It looks like Wildflower's going to take this as he comes around, and he does. And Wildflower, your winner on that one. Ready, set, go. Drivers are ready. They're on the stand. Here we go, drivers. Ready, set, go. And they're off. Roush with a good jump off the line. He's got that lead coming over the big jump there. Coming around, it looks like he holds on to the lead and he takes it. So Roush, your winner on that one. Red Monster Mutt on the blue. All right, drivers. Looks like track's clear. Ready, set, go. Timefly tries to jump first. Oh, Monster Mutt comes around, but he lands. He still can go, but Timefly with the big lead. Monster Mutt having to make a U-turn. Timefly taking it easy. Make sure he hits that jump. And he does, so Timefly moves on.
It feels like I'm in a stadium, like it's watching.
Yeah, that's a great idea. All right, looks like Knucklehead on the red and Hang Time on the blue. Track's clear. All right, drivers, you guys both ready? Ready, set, go. Oh, Knucklehead with a big jump there, giving Hang Time an early lead. It looks like he's going to take that around, and he comes across and does win this round. So Hang Time moves on. All right, ready, set, go. Pretty Black with that early lead. Hits that jump first and coming around. And looks like he's going to take it. Oh, Timefly gets stuck on the wall. And Pretty in Black gets that one.
as much as I can.
You guys both ready? All right, here we go. Yeah, Gravedigger on the blue, Wildflower on the red. Here we go, drivers. Ready, set, go. And we're off. Oh, neck and neck. Wildflower with the lead coming around, and he looks like he's going to take it, and he does. Wildflower with the win. Gravedigger had a good showing until he had to come around that corner there. I don't know how. All right, so Hang Time on the blue and Pretty in Black on the red. All right, drivers. Ready, set, go. And they're off, both in that jump about the same time. Oh, Pretty in Black with an early lead. Now I was gonna say, did Hang Time hit that jump over on the end, or? You want that one?
That's the final round.
Okay, that's the final round. So this is the final round. This is Pretty in Black and Wildflower. Yeah.
I would have been the stage. Who here likes Wildflower? Who Wildflower fan?
You heard it?
Hey, who here's a Wildflower fan?
That didn't work.
Pretty in Black? Are you guys ready? Ready, set, go.
corner. Wildflower with the lead. Coming around the ramp. Radiant Black trying to catch up. And Wildflower with the wheelie coming over the last jump takes this one. So Wildflower, your winner. Congratulations. Perfect. All right, Mr. Hooligan. Oh, it still can't see. I mean, you can run it. Yours won't be going anywhere. Whenever you're ready.
No, never.
Go. Oh, except his phone's almost dead. Okay. Tony, your phone keeps popping up with your phone's almost dead. Your phone's almost dead. That's why the music stopped. I'll use my phone after this. Bring it back, bring it back! I didn't, don't worry about it. We got a lot of time. Or we don't have, we're already too late. Don't worry about it. And somebody beat me to my own trick, so.
I don't know what I'm saying, like you did do it? Because I'm
didn't do it.
wondering where the damage is from. Is this from racing?
Oh, that was from racing. Yeah, that came
okay.
from, yeah.
Flying off volume. Yeah, that was racing. He might double down.
Seconds left, bonus time. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. What the?
I'll take 20. If you want to follow that up, that'd be great.
Dude, that was tight.
Thank you.
Does that make you happy? Are you happy now? Waiting for the green light.
John. John.
That was cool. He had a good wheelie too. That other one, that was scratchy.
Michael. Michael.
You know where to hit more.
All right.
Now then,
Oh, he broke it.
I'm going to backflip that now.
Yeah.
Nice.
Are they doing a minute 30 or are they doing
2 minutes. I think he's doing 2. We got minute 30 and then 30 seconds.
All right, about 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Oh. Got 10 seconds. Oh, that might be it though.
Yeah.
Oh. And with 3 seconds left, this is the last jump. Oh! Ooh, all right. All right. Is that overheats or overheal? Over.